Good morning, everyone. I hope you're all having a great day. Haven't done a live on Facebook for a while. I've been mostly over on the other platform that starts with a T. So if you haven't already joined me there, find me in my link tree and follow me there, because I often do lives there Monday to Friday. So, and there's much more chance for engagement and interaction in the moment, I feel. So anywho, I wanted to talk about this because I did talk about it in a live over on that platform, and just wanted to talk about, how do you know if your partner might be using SMECS as a way to emotionally regulate, or they're using maybe a solo practice and adult content. I mean, it's quite natural when you consider that we get those feel-good hormones going, right? The dopamine and serotonin that comes with intimacy is really nice, and who wouldn't enjoy that, right? But if it's your sole way of emotionally regulating and calming your nervous system, then you're losing an opportunity for a deeper connection with your partner oftentimes, and you're losing out on opportunities to get to know yourself better and maybe learn some new skills and how to manage your emotions. And yeah, I see it come up in relationships a lot, because usually how it ends up playing is that one person feels like their physical needs aren't being met, while the other person feels like their emotional needs aren't being met, and then neither one of them is happy, right? So how do you know if your partner is using intimacy as a way to manage their emotions? You can usually tell by their reaction if you say no, or if you're unavailable, or if another source is unavailable, right? So watch the reactions. If you get coercion, anger, silent treatment, any of that kind of stuff going on as a result of you being unavailable, or another outlet of sexual release, then that's your answer right there, right? And that means that, they probably need some help. They need to sit down with someone and figure out other ways to manage their emotions. They need to get in touch with their emotions and figure out what's triggering them. And yeah, you can't do that for them. That shouldn't be your purpose, and it shouldn't be your job. And you shouldn't be made to feel as if you're not accommodating, that you're going to bear the brunt of their inability to manage their emotions, right? So if that's you, if you've ever been in a relationship, or you're currently in a relationship where you suspect that that's going on, then feel free to reach out. Let's have a chat. There are resources, there's help, and we can, get you to reconnect and really deepen your relationship. But it's going to take work. So thanks for joining me. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Namaste to you all.